Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at this question: how do I change the time zone for a brand? So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to change the time zone for a brand, the time zone we can see it over here, as well as if I'm clicking over here, create a new post, I can see the time zone over here. Okay, so in order to change it, we are going to click over here on our name, account settings, brands. We are going to select the brand that we want to change the time zone for. We are going to click over here, and then we can see time zone over here. By clicking on this drop down, we can change the time zone like this, and then we can click over here to update. Okay, so now by going to calendar, I can see the new time zone over here. And by going to create a new post, I can see the new time zone over here. So this is how you can change the time zone for your brand. Until next time.